Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Beamswap token. Ticker symbol is Glint. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 22nd, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the Glint token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 22nd at 15 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search GLINT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So there is a total supply of 2,837,180,648 Glint tokens. It says Beamswap V3 is a decentralized exchange and DeFi hub that utilizes the concentrated liquidity market maker CLMM protocol to power transactions. Now you can find this token listed on moonscan.io. They already have, I think it said over 10,000 holders. Yeah, so this is on the Moonbeam blockchain, 18 decimal places on this token. They have 10,895 holders, so they're doing very well. Fully diluted market cap, a little bit over $3.5 million, and circulating supply market cap over $2.2 million. Now you can find all the info at beamswap.io. Over there they have a document section. It'll take you over to docs.beamswap.io. So it says Beamswap V3 is a decentralized exchange and DeFi hub that utilizes concentrated liquidity market makers to power transactions. Topped with advanced liquidity management features, Beamswap V3 delivers greater capital efficiency and better exchange and earning opportunities for every users. And you can experience the app if you want to actually try it out. Just go to app.beamswap.io. On Beamswap V3, you can perform instant peer-to-peer transactions and earn rewards for supplying liquidity and asset staking. Beamswap further supports the growth of the Moonbeam ecosystem by acting as a launchpad for new projects on the network. So following the multi-chain vision of Polkadot, Beamswap V3 works alongside ecosystem partners with advanced infrastructure solutions to deliver supreme and cross-chain DeFi experiences. Continuing the legacy of Beamswap V2, the current platform keeps supporting AMM protocols to power certain asset swaps and liquidity pools. So Beamswap V3 relies on the Moonbeam network to power the core DeFi services and features. Moonbeam is an EVM-compatible Polkadot parachain that merges the simplicity and adaptability of Ethereum smart contracts with the scalability of Polkadot. In the Moonbeam ecosystem, Beamswap is one of the first movers offering DeFi services to the crypto community and adding an important share of the evolution of the Polkadot space. With cross-chain interactions, Moonbeam facilitates interoperability and supports the decentralized aspect of the Beamswap platform. The on-chain governance allows the streamlined management and implementation of feature changes and upgrades through user collaboration. Moonbeam's low gas fees make Beamswap services more affordable compared to other networks. With its high scalability, it facilitates further expansion and sustains the ever-evolving user demands. So some of their key products and features. So it says Beamswap products and features are curated with beginners and experienced users in mind. Our goal is to support you in all your DeFi pursuits and provide you with a complete suite of tools and a unified platform. So there's going to be a token swap. Of course, it's right in the name. Asset swap is the main feature of Beamswap decentralized exchange. It allows you to trade crypto assets on the Moonbeam network in a trustless, fast, low-fee, and peer-to-peer way. They also offer liquidity provision. So as a liquidity provider, you can earn 0.17% of swapping fees from all the pairs where you provided liquidity. More rewards in Glint tokens can be earned when you stake asset pairs in yield farming pools. So the yield farms is another feature, and the liquidity farm is a place where you could stake your Beam LP to earn Glint tokens. These farms provide incentives to people providing liquidity to Beamswap and help offset impermanent loss risk. Yield farming is one of the core features of the Beamswap DeFi Hub. It allows you to earn rewards, even double or triple, in exchange for depositing and staking your Beam LP. Farms incentivize users to provide liquidity to Beamswap to help offset impermanent loss risk. Then there's the bridge. So integrated bridge brings cryptocurrencies from other EVM chains to Moonbeam-based Beamswap and vice versa. Since its launch, the Beamswap bridge has been connected with Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain and will grow into a multi-chain bridge linking more chains. Lastly, they have the Beamswap Launchpad. So the Beamswap Launchpad serves as a launch platform for new projects built on Moonbeam Network that seeks community support and initial funding. So Beamswap offers holders holding shared tokens to get exclusive access to new projects, IDOs, and public sales that are freshly launched. Now, they do have a roadmap that you can check out. It seems like a pretty lengthy roadmap. You can find that on their document section. They talk about the ST Glint, which is the staked version of Glint, and that gives you governance rights, basically, and how you can get involved with that. But, I mean, they have tons of information about all the utilities that I just went over, as well as the token. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on Mexc Global. So like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.